Justice continues to elude the struggling Kashmiris even as International Justice Day is being commemorated across the globe today. When International Justice Day is being observed across the world, the Kashmiris continue to suffer under the Indian colonialism. Kashmiris continue to face deepening atrocities, discrimination and injustice on the part of India. Indian troops enjoying impunity under draconian laws are committing grave human rights abuses, in fact war crimes, to suppress the Kashmiris' voice and just struggle for right to self-determination. Massacres, custodial killings, arrests and harassment by Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel are order of the day in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Justice has not been delivered to the victims of mass killings like Gaukadal, Kupwara, Handwara, Sopore and Bijbihara massacres and Kunanposhpora mass rape, Shupaya double rape and murder case and rape and murder of Kutwa minor girl in the occupied territory. The Indian judiciary is biased against the Kashmiris and it never provided justice to them. The Indian courts had not punished a single Indian soldier or policeman involved in war crimes in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian judiciary, without fulfilling the basic requirements of justice, sentenced the Kashmiris' liberation leaders Muhammad Maqbul Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru just for being Kashmiris. Thousands of Kashmiris, including Hurriyat leaders, human rights activists and journalists, had been languishing in different jails of India and the territory and were yet to receive justice. India is brazenly trampling every right of people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. World is commemorating International Justice Day, but there is no end to the Kashmiris' woes. International Justice Day has no meaning for the Kashmiris as they daily witness oppression and bloodshed. The Modi-led fascist Indian regime had broken all records of committing brutalities and excesses on the Kashmiris. For the Kashmiris, there is no option to give up or surrender before Indian illegal occupation and its military might. The world needs to play its role in ending Indian brutalities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Global silence is only emboldening the Modi regime to systematically increase its aggression against the Kashmiris.